Alrighty, we're back. Steve Hamling, your urban gardener, about 8 hours later, and we're just finishing up here. As you can see, all the mulch in the soil is gone. This bed's been cleaned out, mulched, and here's the back, the beautiful new garden bed. Check this out. Forsythia in the corner, delphiniums all along there, and some phlox, geraniums in the front. Those delphiniums will get about 36 inches high, the phlox about the same. We've got two clematis right there, two Jack Manny clematis. And then over here we have two Snow Queen clematis. Peonies in the corner, irises next to the peonies, irises on this side too, two varieties. Peonies across the back there, more delphiniums in front, some Asiatic lilies, and some tomatoes in the corner. And then over here we've got another bed where we threw some more peonies in there, and there's a lone rhubarb. I'm leaving that for our client to plant so she can feel part of it, that she's done something. So there it is. I hope she's happy. She hasn't seen this, and she left it up to me, so I think it's beautiful. And this is a southwest face here, so it gets lots of sun. Even this bed against the fence will get quite a bit of sun in the morning anyway. All right, that's it. Steve Hamling, your urban gardener, growing a greener world, 1 yard at a time, even on a cloudy day here in Overbrook in Ottawa.